All right, so with this equation, just like any other equation, we're going to isolate the variable term. The variable's right here. So I'm going to get rid of this matrix by subtracting it. It's just like subtracting a constant here. So we're going to subtract that from both sides. Now, I could get away with just kind of crossing that off and just saying I'm going to subtract this one over here. So this is a 5, a -3, a 1, and a -1. Now, we've got to be careful with the subtraction here. So this is going to be 1 minus 5, so that's going to be -4. Then this is going to be -2 minus 3, so that's going to be +3, so that's going to be a 1. -3 minus 1, that's going to be a -4. And then a 4 minus a -1, that's going to add up to be 5. And then the only thing left on this side is a 2a. Now, we could say divide by 2, but we normally don't divide when we're working with matrices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 1/2. I'll just multiply by the reciprocal of 2. So those are going to cancel. So I get a over here. I'll slide this down just a little bit. And then what we get here is we're going to go ahead and distribute that through. We're going to do the scalar multiplication. So when I do 1/2 of every one of these, I'm going to get a -2 here. Same thing down below. I'll go ahead and do that one. And then half of 1 is 1/2, and then half of 5 is 5/2. We would prefer to do this as fractions, so that right there is the answer.